ATVs and UTVs are dangerous. At least that's what people tell you. After an ATV crash, that it's just part of the risk. Insurance companies love that story because if it's just bad luck, they don't have to pay. But here's the truth. Under Wisconsin law, many ATV crashes aren't accidents at all. They're actually preventable, and someone else's insurance company may be legally responsible. ATV accident cases are not like car accidents. They're a lot more complicated. And that's where a lot of injured riders get burned. In Eau Claire and throughout rural western Wisconsin, we see ATV injuries happen in a few common ways. Sometimes it's a reckless driver, speeding, alcohol, operating where they shouldn't. Pedestrians and passengers are often the ones who suffer the most. Other times the rider did everything right, but the machine failed. Brakes fail, steering locks, a throttle sticks. That's when product liability matters. The ATV or UTV manufacturer may be responsible, or a company that made a single defective part, even if there's a warning. Here's what most people don't realize. These cases often involve multiple defendants, different manufacturers, different insurance companies, different adjusters, pointing fingers at each other and you. That takes investigation, patience, and a lawyer who understands these types of injury cases, whether they happen on the road or off the road. You also need to know about deadlines. In Wisconsin, most personal injury claims must be filed within 3 years. Wrongful death claims are usually limited to 2 years. It's very, very important to talk to an attorney right away. If you miss those deadlines, your case is over, no matter how strong it was. If you or someone in your family was injured in an ATV accident near Eau Claire, don't assume you're out of options. Visit farmatruckinjury.com or call us today. We'll take the time to understand how the crash happened, why it happened, and if anyone should be held accountable. Because in Wisconsin, responsibility still matters, and injured riders deserve straight answers.